In this module, we will talk about neo Marxism and globalization. Neo Marxism is a direct criticism to neoliberal ideas. Neoliberal ideas believes in non-intervention of the state, and neo-Marxist ideas believe in intervention of the state. Transnational activities are emerging which lead to proliferation of capitalism across the borders. The ideology of capitalism is prevailing internationally. Transnational corporations make use of the members of the capitalist class to develop the consumerist ideology. Consumerist ideology is important for the survival of capitalist system. Yes, when there is a consumer product is creating a borderless world, it is encouraging the capitalist class to maximize its profit. Neo-Marxists criticize the idea of neoliberal globalization, which is no different than the notion of empire and imperialism. Privatization of available resources lead to the exploitation of working class. International institutions like World Bank and WTO propagate capitalist ideologies and policies, and they try to implement all the conditions which favors to the developed part of the world. Neo-Marxists are more concerned with ideology and culture as compared to economy. But we have to see into this that the countries which are more follower of neo-Marxism, are they really following more to ideology and culture as compared to economy in the contemporary world? They point out the role of media in establishing a cultural hegemony across the borders. Media promotes the ideology of the elite class. Media persons do not criticize the dominant ideology. If they do so rarely, then it is not that damaging to the dominant ideology. And even they criticize those ruling elite or hegemons or ruling elite in a way that they cannot become annoyed. Either they are, बल्कि वो ये समझते हैं कि ये तो उनकी और ज़्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी हो रही है दुनिया में, हालांकि उन पर क्रिटिसाइज किया जा रहा होता है, लेकिन उस क्रिटिसिज्म से भी उनको रूलिंग एलीट को शोहरत मिलती है. जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा दुनिया में ये कहा जाता है जी कि ये एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हर काम करती है, हालांकि बाज़ औक़ात उस लीडर की अपनी पॉपुलैरिटी इतनी ज़्यादा होती है कि वो भी लोगों को मुतासर कर रहा होता है, लेकिन एस्टेब्लिशमेंट चाहती है कि लोग ये कहें कि इस लीडर को भी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट लेकर आई है ताकि उसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी जो है वो डैमेज हो. तो रूलिंग एलीट जो है या सच एजेंसीज which are working behind the scene, they sometimes allow these media agencies to criticize them just to make them more popular. Neo-Marxists believe that social institutions such as churches, prisons, and schools are deliberately created to maintain the differences between the powerful and powerless. Likewise, social institutions, international institutions of the globalized world maintain the division of powerful and powerless. So, all such tactics are usually adopted to show the world that how haves and have nots are different from each other. Neo-Marxists agree with basic assumptions of Karl Marx, but they reject the idea of social revolution. In context of globalization, it shows that despite cultural convergence, hybridization, and dominance of Americanization, the working class will remain the passive consumers of popular culture and Western ideology. Transnationalism and anti-globalization movements will not end up capitalism because they are not buying the idea of Marxism that there should be a social movement against the hegemons to have a monopoly of the working class. They are not buying that idea. But on the other hand, they are going to adopt those values which may allow the proletariat class to sustain even in the predominant capitalist class.